Big earnings day for Deere, and Google uses AI to control a fusion reactor. Coming up on The Job. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It's 8:07 here in the middle part of the country. It is Friday. Happy Friday to you. It is February 18th, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. Let's talk about John Deere. Big earnings beat here this morning. $2.93 a share. Analysts were looking in the low 230s. Deere, heavy equipment. If you're going to be mining for electric cars, what do you need? Lots of heavy equipment. If you're going to be growing food, farmers had a record year last year. What do you need? Heavy equipment. Deere continues to do a very nice job selling to their existing customers and expanding around the world. Price hikes have been taken well by their customers. Solid demand for tractors. Overall, nice job by Deere, right? Nice job by Quad Cities leading John Deere. Shares up quite a bit here this morning, really avoiding supply chain issues. It's interesting. We heard so much Q4 about ships offshore in Long Beach and LA. We heard so much about supply chains. We heard so much about shortages. But now that the data's coming out, we're seeing companies were able to pass those costs along to consumers and really have nice, profitable Q4s. Earnings continue to be really good in corporate America. Celanese to buy Dupont's materials arm for $11 billion. That's, it's probably half a Discord at this point, right? Microsoft thinking about buying Discord, $10 billion, right? Okay. That was a while ago. Discord's grown, Celanese buying Dupont's materials arm. Dupont really being a mover and shaker, right? They're buying Rogers for about $5.6 million. They're selling off their M&M business. Really looking to unlock value from sort of older assets, older business units that are still quite profitable. Nice job on both sides. M&A space really starting to turn. Remember, this time last year, it was all SPACs. It was all IPOs, new stuff, right? We're not seeing a lot of that anymore as the IPO space has gotten sort of, people are trying to stay away from it. How does a Wall Street banker go and make money? Let's pitch some M&A deals. I think we're in that part of the cycle. Last but not least, before we get you off to a nice weekend, this is a cool story. DeepMind uses AI to control a fusion nuclear reactor. Of course, fusion has been the ultimate energy source for green activists for about 50 years. We still haven't found a way to get more out than we put in, but Google now using magnets changed thousands of times a second to keep the ball of plasma from blowing up. That seems like a very good thing. And of course, long term, if we do unlock fusion, it's going to create plentiful power and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, which I think we can all say is a very good thing. If you want some additional info throughout the weekend, feel free to find me on the internet. I am out there. Until then, I hope you have a very nice rest of your Friday. I am out.